hairdryer. It does have the awful Disney hotels hairdryer in it, but just in case you don't thinking of looking for the fridge in the bathroom, the fridge is in the bathroom. I mean, it's not the most hygienic, is it? And on this side you've just got some shelves. One thing that you do get is this really cool kind of like vanity set. The comb is wooden, and you also have like this little shaver which is also wooden, which is kind of nice. And then you also have your safe, the Newport Bay Club safes. You can actually use your credit card to lock and unlock it. One thing to be very aware of is that if you have travel insurance and you do not put your valuables in the safe and it gets stolen, and I say this as someone who used to work in a hotel, some housekeeping people are really dodgy. Your insurance almost certainly will not pay out. So use the safe. And then we have the wonderfully high-end shower bath. Seriously, they do need to put better shower heads on this. But again, it's just over the bath. And then you do get your little shower gel, your shampoo, your conditioner, in the little bottles still, unlike some of the other hotels. And then you've got this really random bench that you get in a lot of the Disney hotels. You've got your bin, and then behind the door, your toilet. Nothing really excited about a toilet. Yeah, one thing you do get in Compass Club is you get these robes and slippers. And once more, you can take the slippers home with you. Do not take the robes home with you. If you take the robes home with you, they will charge you. If you do love the robes so much, you can find them in the Newport Bay gift shop. But yeah, as you can see, there's a door there. There's not actually a door here, but there is this nice little privacy curtain, just in case you want to take a dump in private. Yeah. They are nice rooms. Are they worth the price difference? Honestly, the best club level is still Golden Forest at Sequoia Lodge. For the price point you're going to pay, is Newport Bay better? Is Newport Bay actually a 4-star hotel? I mean, legitimately, no. In the same way as the Disneyland Hotel is not a 5-star hotel. I don't care how much people say it is. It isn't. Weird French sausages. Porridge, anyone? Here's where they're hiding. See? Mickey waffles. And fruit. It's not labelled, but that is soya yogurt. We've got a pancake machine, butter, mini donut if you want to start your day right.